Strong burn smell. Something flashed and I smell a strong burn smell. Soldering station is off. Preheater is on because we are preheating a board on the top here, but the smell is not coming from here. Hot air station is off. Where's the smell coming from? Oh boy. Okay, what's this? This is the lamp. Hold on. It's hot. It's the lamp. Oh, okay, so it's the lamp. Disconnect. The lamp is... Oh yeah, the lamp. The smell is coming from the lamp. Big Boss is building a custom PC for a customer. And he's working on a Nintendo Switch board at the same time. So here we have another iPad Pro 12.9 inch. This is the second gen, as far as I can tell. And it came in because it doesn't power on. I plugged the amp meter and the amp meter is drawing 0.48 amps, similar to the last tablet that we worked on, where the tablet was only drawing 0.48 amps or 0.47 amps and nothing was working. 0.48 amps is not a normal amperage draw, and that tells us that the motherboard is consuming power because of possibly a short, just like what happened to us in the last tablet that we worked on, the last 12.9 inch tablet. So let's go ahead and power it on. I have the charger plugged in. The screen is already out. And if we power it on, you can see that amperage being drawn is 0.48 amps. And it's always the 0.48 amps. The last one we worked on was exactly the same, 0.48. It's not 0.49, it's not 0.5, 0.48. So I'm assuming it's going to be the same issue as the last one that we fixed, but one way to find out, we're going to turn the thermal cam on and I'm going to point it to the motherboard. And if we power it on, look at this, look at this. A lot of things getting hot on the board. A lot of things getting hot on the board. Let me increase the temperature boundaries. Now what I want to look for is where did heat start up from. Let me turn it back off. Turn on, and right there, this is what I'm looking for right there. I have the tweezer over the component. Let's look under the microscope. That's the one. That's the one right there. We're going to test to see if this component is shorting to ground, just to verify that we have a short here. Meter in diode mode, red probe on ground and black probe will go on both sides of this capacitor. That's one side. And yes, we do have a short. We do have a short. Let's remove that component and see if we can release the short. The component is out, and now we can test to see if we still have a short. Let's wait until the board cools down a bit. Never test the board when it's super hot because you may end up getting a short even though there's no short. We can cool it down by adding a little bit of alcohol on the board. And let's test. Do we still have a short? And the short is gone. The short is gone. Most likely the problem is solved. Look at this. No short. Fixed. I'm almost positive it's fixed. What we can do is we can look at the amp meter to see if we still have 0.48 amps being drawn by the tablet. We should get something like 1 amp or something close to 1 amp if the tablet is charging normally. Okay, so let's see. .97 amps. That's normal. That's perfect. 0.97 amps. Awesome. So the tablet should work. The tablet should work. I'm gonna install the screen and hope for the best. So I have the screen here. That's connected. And test. Screen connected. I'm gonna have to press down on the battery because I do not have the screw on the battery connector. So we want the battery to make a good connection. And let's plug the charging cable. So let's see. Power it on. And the Apple logo right there. The Apple logo. Tablet is working. Tablet is fully functional. I mean, the tablet looks mint. It looks in perfect condition. Touch. Yes, touch works. Very good. So that's it. The job is done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.